In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page borders to your Microsoft Word document. So if you want to add a page border, you can always come to from the home, you can go to design and be able to see page borders at the end of it here. And this at the time and this is the default set to none. You can add boxed and you can define the strength or the style of the line, maybe something like this dashed. You can add color to the line, maybe let's say red. You'll be able to see the preview in each case from here. Red is not so good, so let's say we'll go with this pink. You can define the line width as well. Let's make it a bit thicker, and then you can define the art how you want it. Let's keep it at default. Now you want to add it to the whole document or to a section or to the first page only or to except first page to all, depending. Once you say okay to this, you'll be able to see that you've added a page border to your page. Okay, you can see it very nice and fantastic. Now at any given point, if you decide to remove the border, all you need is to still come back to the same design, come to page borders, and you can go back to none and say okay to this, and now you have your pages without border. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.